Welcome back, everyone, and today we have some technical analysis of Shiba, which is on a tear, and we do gotta thank Boston George for the insight, because for the last 4 or 5 days he's been saying it's gonna break out, it's gonna break out. I'm like, yeah, okay, it's gonna break out. I can see it too, but I wasn't really paying attention too much, and boy, did it break out yesterday. On the 23rd, yeah, right there, right at 8 o'clock, 8 in the morning, yeah, around there, look at that. And at noontime, it just completely broke out. So, just to let you guys know, I am not a financial advisor, and I'm not pretending to give you financial advice, but, I'm just showing you guys about Shiba, and if you guys own it, this is a great time to own it, and obviously, it is probably going to be going on Robinhood. Obviously, they cannot tell you when it's going to go on, because then they're going to be in trouble with the SEC. SEC, yeah, something like that. So they can't really just come on and say, yes, it's going to be listed, but they will be listing it. There's so many rumors, there's so many insiders and everything, and they're just saying it's coming out probably the end of October or some point in November. And once that happens, this should multiply and we should lose a zero. But right now, there was a little bit of a sell-off, and you guys should be seeing this video an hour after I do it, so I could probably see it's gonna consolidate over here, maybe between 36 and 4,000, and we can actually look at the previous breakout like that as well, but we did break the all-time high. So especially if it does go on Robinhood, it's gonna go north. And if you guys don't own it yet, it's your call if you want to buy some, but you can easily triple your money by the end of the year. I do see this losing a zero by the end of the year, or by the end of November. If it does go on Robinhood in the next couple weeks, it's basically game over for anything else. It's going to be open to a lot more traders, and everyone's just going to be wanting to buy in like $100, $20, $25, $1,000, and they're going to be those people that are just going to hold for it to go to a cent or a dollar, which it probably won't do a cent or a dollar. There's varying factors about that, the supply and everything. Even though 66% of the supply, I believe, it's either 60 or 66% is locked in the Shiba swap. So there's not much floating supply out there to buy and sell. But still, if it does go on Robinhood, if people buy and hold, then you can see this easily losing even 2 zeros before it, because right now we're at 3, 0, 0, 0, 0. If we lose 1 or 2 by the end of the year, that's going to be huge. And you can see the technicals over here on TradingView. It's a strong buy. It's been going between buy and strong buy this whole month, and you can actually see for the whole month of October, because we have it, and from October, yeah, there it is. So, and for the few of us that bought in when it was 30-day free trial, we don't want that. I just gotta sign into this. So, a lot of us bought down here in the 540 range, which is I did. A lot of people panicked because they had owned it at like 1,000, and it dropped down to 540, 560 over there on Voyager, and I loaded up, and a few other people did. A lot of people sold, and the rest is history now. Now we're trying to lose a zero. So let's see what happens. It could change tomorrow, the next day. But so far, this has no way of stopping at the moment. And the price of Bitcoin isn't going up. It's actually kind of dropped a bit. Do we have it up here? No, we don't. Where's Bitcoin? Yeah, we don't have Bitcoin up here. But still, I highly suggest you hold on if you have it. For those of you that own more than 100 million, it's a good profit. And let's lose a zero and see what happens. And I'll do another technical analysis in a week or 2 weeks, and we'll see where we are now. Well, then. But to the moon, like they all say. Alright guys, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.